guys, welcome to EGV and this is Vishnu. This illustration, a company manufactures a highly successful line of cosmetics intent to diversify the product line. To achieve the fuller utilization of its plant capacity as a result of considerable research made, the company has been able to develop a new product called EMO. EMO is packed in tubes of the 50-gram capacity and is sold to the wholesalers in carton of 24 tubes at 240 per carton. Since the company use the spare capacity of the manufacturing of EMO, no additional fixed expenses will be incurred. However, cost account accounts has allocated a share of 4,50,000 per month as fixed cost to the absorbed by EMO as a fair share of the company's present fixed cost to the new. The company estimated the production and the sales of EMO of sales tubes per month, 3 lakh shares tubes per month, and on this basis the following cost estimate has been developed. Direct material 108, direct labor 72, overhead 54, total 234. After a detailed market survey, the company is confident that the production and sales of EMO can be increased to 3,50,000 empty tubes, and the cost of empty tubes purchased from outside will result in the savings of 20% of material and 10% of direct wages and variable overheads of EMO. The price at which the outside firm is willing to supply the empty tube is 1.35 per empty tube. If the company desires to manufacture an empty tube in extent of 3 lakh tubes, new machine involving an additional fixed overhead 30,000 per month will have to be installed. Required: state by showing your workings whether companies should make or buy the empty tubes of each of the 3 volume of production of EMO, 3 lakh, 3,50,000 and 4,50,000 tubes. Number 2. At what volume of sales will it be economical for the company to install the additional equipment for the manufacturing of empty tube? Requirement 3. Evaluate the profitability on the sale of EMO at each of the aforesaid 3 levels of output based on your decision and showing the cost of empty tubes as a separate. So going ahead with the solution, I have made a table containing the cost, particulars, cost, percent of savings, and tube cost and package cost. Direct material 108 divided by 24 tube will give you the per unit cost of 1 unit. The cost will be 4.5, out of which 20% is tube cost and rest will be the cost of the product. Therefore 4.5 into 20% 0.9, rest will be the product cost, that is 3.6. Going ahead, direct labor 72 divided by 24 will give you 3 into 10%, that is 30 paise. 30 paise minus 3 will give you 2.7. Variable overhead 57 minus 24 divided by 4,50,000 divided by 3 lakh. This is because actually the total cost including fixed cost as well as the variable cost, the total cost is 54. So 54 minus divided by 24. 24 is the number of tubes in a packet, in a carton, and 4,50,000 is the annual fixed cost and 3 lakh is the annual production. 3 lakh, that is 4,50,000 divided by 3 lakh, which gives you the variable cost of 0.75. The 10% of the variable cost is considered as the cost of tube and rest will be considered as the cost of the product. Therefore the cost of the tube is 0.75 and 6.675 is the cost of the product. Therefore the total cost will be for tube is 1.275 and for the product is 6.975. Now statement showing computation of cost of sales. The cost of manufacturing is equal to 3 lakh into 1.25 of the tube will be 3 lakh into 1.25, which gives you 3,82,500. Cost of purchasing the tube from outside will be 1.35. 3 lakh into 1.35, that is 4,05,000. There will be a difference of 22,500. So if the tube is manufactured inside the company, then there will be a difference. Then the company has 22,500 rupees benefit. Benefit of is 22,500. So it is better to produce or manufacture the tube up to 3 lakh. Now computation of tube after 3 lakh. So if the tube, the requirement of the tube or the tube has been more than 3 lakh, that is 3,50,000 and 4,50,000, then this is the computation of tubes above 3 lakh. So variable cost will be 1.27, that is 63,600. That is 1.27 into 50,000 and 1.27 into 1,50,000 will give you 1,90,800. And the fixed cost will be 30,000 each. Therefore the total cost will be 93,600 and 2,20,800. Cost of buying will be 1.35 multiplied by 50,000 will give you 67,500, and 1.35 into 1,50,000 will give you 2,02,500. Therefore over here there is an additional fixed cost of 30,000 rupees, which make the company, or which we can analyze that it is better to purchase from outside, or the tubes can be purchased from outside if the production of tube is more than 3 lakh. From the above working, we can find that it is better to buy from outside rather than manufacturing it. The level of which it is better to manufacture inside. Fixed cost divided by difference in variable cost will give you the number of units which needs to be in favor of manufacturing inside will be, that is fixed cost is 30,000 divided by 1.35 is a cost purchased from outside and 1.25 is the manufacturing cost. Therefore the units will be 4 lakh unit. Therefore the company has to produce 4 plus, already we have 3 lakh capacity, therefore 4 plus 3 7 lakh unit to make the production of tubes beneficial. So if the company produce more than 7 lakh or more units, then it is beneficial to the company to manufacture. Otherwise it should be purchased from outside. That is, if the tube is manufactured, if the annual demand of the tube is between 3 lakh to 7 lakh, then it is better to purchase from the outside. Going ahead, statement showing computation of profit and loss. Profit at three levels of output. So in this table I have prepared 4 columns, particulars and 3 lakh unit, 3 lakh 50,000 unit and 4 lakh unit. Sales will be 240 divided by 24. So 240 divided by 24 into 3 lakh, 240 divided by 24 into 3 lakh 50,000 and 240 divided by 24 into 4 lakh 50,000. Then we have variable cost. Variable cost is 1.275 and 1.35 for when it is purchased from outside. Therefore, over here for 3 lakh unit, it is better to manufacture inside. Therefore, 3,82,500 into 1.25, 1.27 will give you 2,82,000. And for more than 3,50,000 unit, it is better to purchase from outside. Therefore, 1.35 multiplied by 3,50,000 will give you 4,72,500. And for 4,50,000, it is better to purchase from outside. Therefore, 1.35 multiplied by 4,50,000 will give you 6,07,500. Then we have fixed cost of 4,50,000 each. Therefore, the total cost will be after the total cost will be 29,25,000, 33 lakh 63,750 and 41 lakh 96,250 will get you the profit of 75,000, 1 lakh 36,250 and 3 lakh 3,750. So over here we will not take the fixed cost of this 30,000 because we are purchasing the tubes from outside. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear and complete clarification regarding this illustration. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe.